Hello, bonjour and salam, namaste everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kayani Sheen. Today I'm going to show you how I created this eye makeup.
I'm applying concealer with a very tiny brush, blending it on with a fluffy blending brush. I've taken the two shades Venus and Cosmic from the Makeup Revolution Constellation palette, and I'm applying it on my crease line and blending it on towards the outer corner. I'm using the shade Drama Queen in the outer corner of my eyes and blending it towards the center of my eyelids. I'm also kind of creating a very soft line in the crease line with the same shade, giving it a wing-like structure. Applying concealer underneath the wing to make it look more sharp. Also applying it underneath the brow bones. Using my concealer once again, I'm applying it from my inner corner towards the center of my eye. Smudging it a little bit in the lower lash line in the inner corners only. Using the same blend of Cosmic and Venus, buffing and blending any harsh lines. Packing on a black eyeshadow in the lower lash line, bringing it from the outer corners toward inner corners. Cosmic to bring it towards my inner corner. Brushing off the excess fallouts. Using Dimension from the same palette to apply on my inner corners and putting it very softly. And now I'm using liquid liner to line my eyes. Adding on some false lashes and the look is almost done.
Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you really like it and I hope you really enjoyed watching it.
And if you really like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.
Also, don't forget to hit the bell button to stay connected and updated every time I post. See you in my next video. Till then, love you. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay stylish.